Good morning, dear hearts. All right, congratulations. We are at lesson 230. Today we are completing the first section of part 2 of the workbook. Yay! So, lesson 230. Now will I seek and find the peace of God. Seek and find. This is what we learn through the Holy Spirit, that what we seek, what we are meant to find, we will find. Seek it and you will find it. It is already yours. Total opposite to what the ego promises, because the ego is always seek and do not find. Keep seeking. The ego, I use the example that it's always moving the goalpost. I think I'm there and then the goalpost has been moved and then I can't find it. It keeps going farther and farther away instead of coming closer and closer to me, that I can rejoin with it. So the peace of God was already given us. It was given to us in the moment of our creation. For my creation was apart from time and still remains beyond all change, is in the lesson. So what was given to me and is changeless, I cannot change. Whatever God created is already and always going to be there for me. I can disagree with it. I can disavow it. I can deny it, but I cannot change it. It is eternally changeless. The peace of God, which was given to us, is forever there, eternally. Whether I turn away from it or towards it, it stands there like a beacon of light, like a lighthouse in the ocean. It stands there, whether or not a ship is passing by or not. That beacon of light stays forever steadfast. The peace of God is forever steadfast in our lives. Now, how does this lesson, how does the peace of God meld in with the central thought of what is forgiveness? Forgiveness, until I accept it, until I realize that this is how I will discover what is already mine, by letting go of all of the grievances and all of the judgments and all of the attack thoughts that I have had thinking towards someone else, all right? I will not be able to find that peace, although it is there, because with every judgment and every, as a course would say, an unpure thought that I have, what I'm doing is I'm wrapping myself in chains. I use the example often in classes about the Christmas Carol. The Christmas Carol. And when Scrooge meets Marley, his former partner, who is wandering from the other side, wrapped in chains. The chains represent every unkind action that he took, every unkind word that he had, every judgment that he made. That's what I do to myself. I wrap myself in chains, although I may not see them. They are there, and I will feel them because they are holding me. They are keeping me from being able to seek and find. The ego is going to hold me in chains that tell me, go ahead and look, you're never going to find it. But I turn to the Holy Spirit, and my chains disappear through all of my forgiving thoughts. And here I am, seeking and finding the peace of God. Everything I want, the peace of God. I hope this helped. I hope you're finding this easy to understand, or easier to understand. If so, please share, please subscribe, please like, please comment. I respond to all comments, and please be here tomorrow. Namaste.